morning, everyone. It is day 7. We have a lot to do. I need to do my makeup, film some videos, clean up my room, edit a bunch of videos, and that is the plan for today. Let's see if I can do it. Mama? My mom said I wasn't supposed to take the purple thing out. I'm literally laughing at the fact that I sound so irritated here. To make it stick. Oh, it actually worked. How come it wasn't sticking on my hand? Does it actually work? Nothing's coming out. Oh my god. Either there's no dirt, or this thing doesn't even work, or I don't know how to use it. Didn't work because I was supposed to use this with it. I'm gonna take everything out of this bathroom first because this bathroom is too small. Probably should have started from there and then go out. I mean, that's better. Alright, since I have a lot of boxes and I am going to be filming a couple of videos, I'm going to organize them based off of videos. There are 2 videos that I need to film, and then also like Christmas stuff I gotta hide, and then whatever that is out that needs to be put away will be put away. So let's go. Whew, girl, I was about to have a heart attack, but it's so cute. Oh my god. She better like this, even though we're kind of fighting in the middle of a fight. Not really. I mean, we're talking more than my sister and my mom. Well, we're talking. All I heard is that if you don't do blah blah blah, you're in trouble. So no, it's that. But I bought my mom one of her gifts from Amazon. And I didn't know what else to buy because I didn't want to pay for shipping. So I got this mouse ergonomics, mouse pad and keyboard. Wait, who is it? Okay, open. I'm behind. You hit my booty. What do you want?
I know why we're so messed up.
Don't look. I have Christmas presents in here. Don't look.
Can I play the video?
What?
I now know why we're so messed up.
Maybe there's a contest for lonely children after this. It's only children, DW. A lonely child is what you're gonna be when I sell you.
What did you just show me, child?
Arthur, this is Arthur. Why were we allowed to watch this?
You barely even watched Arthur. I watched Arthur, not you. The frick?
I said, leave me alone, please. I will after you tell me why you're not excited about your birthday. Do you really want to know? Do you think you really want to know? Yeah. Oh, okay, just checking.
Tala, this isn't more for my generation, not for yours. Your generation
Where? Oh, here it is.
didn't watch Arthur.
Hey, DW, Francine, can I ask you a question? Sure, anything. Why don't you go back to your own house and stop bothering us?
I remember this episode.
Did you say it to Mom and Dad?
I didn't know what the word was.
Did you say, what does bleep mean?
I just knew whenever there was a beep, it was a bad word.
Hey, Mom and Dad still let you watch this?
Yeah, of course they did.
Growing up, I didn't like DW. I liked Arthur. Now I realized I should have liked DW.
DW was funny. She was a savage. And I was secretly hoping that you wouldn't come out as DW because I wanted to be the boss.
What did I come out as?
You came out as submitting to me.
What?
Human bed, yeah. And you
Ginger only gets on my bed when it's made.
قولي لها لتابع. If I'm not
right
talking
here.
to her, doesn't matter. هلا the place where they wash Ginger is closed and Ginger stinks. I can't leave her in the house anymore.
I called.
Yeah.
They're
Mr.
open
Hay.
till 7 with the dog wash.
Because if she is not bathed today, she has to sleep in the backyard and she is not coming inside the house until she's clean.
Cool.
She's not allowed that.
She's not talking to me.
She just did.
She made me quit my first job ever because she was paranoid I was going to get murdered.
They already know that.
And she's not talking to me. I would have been paid already.
Paige, shut up.
Money's money. This was money. Together.
Had criminal looking coworkers. Inmate looking coworkers. What were you, 20 years younger than everyone? By the way, do you want me to censor your legs?
Just because they're hairy, really?
I'm just asking.
Why would I shave? Where am I going?
Well, it's gonna be posted on the internet.
No, what? Fine, whatever.
No, what do you want? I don't want to not censor them and then you're embarrassed. Do you want them censored?
No, it's censor them, whatever.
Do you want them censored?
No, it's censor them.
So you want them censored?
Yeah, that way I don't have to deal with Mom being like, why don't you shave your legs? Like, because it itches when it grows back.
So, Ginger plans. Ginger needs to be bathed.
There, right?
Yeah. Hi, Ginger. You ready to have a bath? She's so excited.
She likes car rides. Ginger. Ginger needs to pee. And she won't stop whining.
Ginger has been crying for the past 5 minutes. And then I just came to a realization. She has to go to the bathroom. We arrived, we arrived, Ginger.
Okay, just wait. Don't pee in my car.
Don't. She's been crying. Okay. I'm just gonna park here and then I'll change.
Just park.
I'm just gonna park. Release her. Release the beast. Let's go. Mama, you're waiting to clean the station for you?
I brushed her before we came, trying to get rid of some of her poofiness.
Is that a poor puppy crying? Is that how you're gonna do, Ginger?
No,
Or are you gonna be a good girl?
She just tries to get us wet by shaking.
That's gonna be fun, right?
Well, you're gonna yell it. I know when she's gonna shake, so I back up first.
I know when she's gonna shake too.
We'll see.
She's like, and then it's like, no! Then she goes,
If you please let me know if you need anything, okay? Please,
okay.
whatever you need.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, no.
No. Don't put it in her ears.
I didn't.
Oh, the good girl.
Imagine if I were mom.
What?
Imagine if I were mom and you did that.
Been like, sorry. Ginger, come on, they're babies. They're small. You're a big girl.
Yeah, you're a big girl.
Go. Come here, Ginger. No, no barking. No barking.
Distract her face.
Oh, you're a good girl. Come here.
I think they want to use that. Smash it.
Oh, you're a good girl.
She tried to lure us into a trap. You tried to trick us.
Shake any minute.
No, she's not.
I told you she was gonna shake.
Just clean it too. Comment down below how many times she's dropped this.
She's gonna shake any second.
Yeah, well, I'm not yet.
Oh, look at the cute. Now she's so
Alright, come get it. Oh. She likes it when you do that. Do you like it when I do that?
I don't think so.
What if her butter flung out during that shake?
Ew.
I was wrong. I didn't. Yeah, you did.
Oh, that was the most I got wet. Why does it keep on aiming that way?
Twisted it.
She's about to shake. Go ahead and shake. No, you're about to do it. I know you are. She's upset that we're both away. She's about to shake. Alright, we're all done. I don't know if you can tell. How was that? Fun?
I'm exhausted.
Me too. Ginger, are you exhausted? Mama. She's up. Hi, Mama. You ready to go home?
You're about to die.
Bye-bye. What?
Your camera.
Oh, the camera, the battery. I thought I was gonna die. I'm like, what is wrong with you? Who are you to determine my life or death? You weirdo. Alright.
Turn the headlights on.